As women age beyond 50, their hair undergoes subtle yet significant changes. Thinner strands, finer texture, and graying hair all influence the ideal hairstyle choices. Yet, many women find themselves making unintentional haircut mistakes that can detract from their natural beauty and youthful glow. Understanding these common pitfalls and how to avoid them can empower women to choose cuts that enhance their features, boost confidence, and reflect their vibrant personalities. In this comprehensive guide, we delve into the most frequent haircut mistakes women over 50 make and offer expert advice on achieving a look that is both stylish and age-appropriate. Haircut mistakes women over 50 when it comes to choosing a haircut after 50. The goal should be to find a style that complements age, face shape, hair texture, and personal style. Unfortunately, some common errors are frequently made, which can leave women feeling less confident and dissatisfied with their appearance. These mistakes often stem from misconceptions or attempts to cling to youthful styles that no longer suit mature hair. Before exploring remedies and best practices, it's crucial to recognize these pitfalls. They often involve ill-suited cuts that can accentuate aging features or fail to address the natural changes in hair properties. By understanding what to avoid, women can make informed decisions and work with professional stylists to craft a flattering, manageable hairstyle. Let's analyze some of the chief haircut mistakes women over 50 tend to commit, and how these can be remedied for a more harmonious and age-appropriate look. Choosing a too blunt or heavy style that frames the face poorly. A common oversight among women over 50 is opting for blunt cuts or overly heavy hairstyles that can add bulk and emphasize features they might prefer to downplay. These blunt styles, especially when not tailored properly, can make the face look wider and accentuate sagging lines or jowls. Why this mistake happens: many women associate blunt cuts with a bold, youthful spirit, but deliberately choosing cut-heavy styles without considering face shape and hair texture can backfire. Also, post-menopause hair tends to become thinner, and overly blunt cuts can make hair look flat and accentuate age-related changes rather than hiding them. How to avoid it: layered hairstyles are ideal for women over 50 as they add volume and movement without excess weight. A layered cut can soften facial features and reduce the appearance of sagging. Consulting with a skilled stylist who understands the subtleties of aging hair is key. Face framing layers that graze the jawline or cheeks can draw attention to the eyes and cheekbones, creating a more vibrant appearance. Creative insight: opt for lightweight, textured layers rather than blunt cuts. This approach adds dimension and disguises thinning areas. For those desiring a bolder look, a long layered bob with subtle angles can enhance facial contours elegantly, avoiding the heaviness that blunts the face's natural shape. Ignoring hair texture and natural growth patterns in the cut. An often ignored factor is hair's evolving texture and growth patterns that change with age. Failing to adapt a haircut to these changes can result in styles that look unkempt or unflattering. The challenge with hair texture: as women reach their 50s and beyond, hair can become finer, more fragile, or develop increased wave or curl patterns that weren't previously present. Additionally, some women experience hair thinning, especially at the crown, which impacts how the cut falls and appears. Why this matters: choosing a style that ignores these changes can lead to a washed-out or unbalanced look. For example, a blunt pixie cut that worked in her 30s might become unmanageable or make thinning areas more prominent. How to address it: professionals recommend tailoring haircut shapes to match the hair's natural movement. For finer hair, soft layers or a textured bob can make hair look more voluminous. For curly or wavy hair, embracing the curl pattern with suitable cuts avoids the need for excessive styling and maintains a natural, youthful appearance. Personal insight: understanding your hair's growth direction can prevent awkward or unflattering styles. A side-parted bob can help disguise thinning at the crown, and soft layers can add vitality without overwhelming delicate strands. Holding on to outdated or overly trendy styles: fashion and hairstyle trends evolve, but trying to cling to youthful or trendy styles that don't suit mature features can backfire. Style over substance can leave women looking outdated or mismatched for their age. The risk of outdated trends: in pursuit of a hip look, some women may choose overly layered, bleached, or sharply cut styles reminiscent of trends from decades past. While they might feel playful, these styles can draw unwanted attention to age lines or create an unbalanced, youthful illusion that doesn't align with real age. How to choose age-appropriate fashion-forward styles: the key is balancing current trends with timeless elegance. Soft, face-framing layers: a classic bob, or a sophisticated pixie cut can be modern and fashionable without looking out of place. Consulting with a stylist about subtle updates like a slightly textured finish or champagne highlights can refresh the look without overdoing it. Insightful tip: instead of outright following trends blindly, adapt them to your features and personality. Subtle modern twists like soft waves or layered cut can provide a fresh appearance rooted in sophistication rather than youthfulness. Overlooking maintenance and practicality in haircut choices. A significant mistake is selecting a style that looks great but is difficult to manage daily or requires excessive styling time. Many women over 50 prefer low-maintenance styles that fit into their busy routines and aging preferences. The importance of practicality: intricate, high-maintenance styles, while visually appealing, often necessitate regular salon visits, styling tools, and products that may not fit an aging woman's lifestyle. A cut that is unmanageable or prone to frizz, flyaways, or limpness diminishes overall satisfaction. How to select functional beauty: opt for styles that require minimal daily effort, such as easy-to-keep length cuts with natural textures. Incorporate tapering or strategic layering that grants natural volume and minimizes the need for heat styling. Expert advice: a stylish yet practical haircut should enhance natural hair features and be resilient to daily weather variations. Texture and movement are allies here. Avoid overly flat or severe cuts that can make hair appear lifeless. Advice: haircut mistakes. Women over 50 to effectively avoid these common mistakes, women need tailored guidance that considers their unique features and preferences. Choosing the right haircut after 50 involves understanding how aging impacts hair and face shape, as well as maintaining a balance between style, practicality, and personality. Below are essential pieces of advice to navigate haircut decisions confidently and create an age-appropriate, flattering look. Consult a stylist who understands aging hair dynamics. A professional stylist experienced in working with mature women can provide invaluable insights into suitable cuts and styles that flatter aging features. This expertise includes knowledge of how hair changes with age, the best ways to add volume, and techniques to soften facial features. Why this matters: dear haircuts or untrained styling attempts can lead to unbalanced, disproportionate, or unflattering results. Professionals can assess face shape, hair texture, and growth patterns to recommend personalized cuts that suit individual personalities. Maximizing stylist consultation: bring clear photos of your preferred styles and communicate your lifestyle needs. Ask for advice on maintenance and whether the suggested hairstyle can evolve with your hair's natural changes over time. Embrace soft layers and tapered ends. Layering is one of the most versatile tools in hairstyling to combat age-related changes and enhance natural beauty. Soft layers help add volume, movement, and youthfulness, especially important if hair has thinned or lost strength. How layers work: layers distribute weight evenly, prevent bulkiness or flatness, and frame the face nicely. They can be tailored to accommodate various face shapes, ensuring that the overall look appears fresh and lively. Tapered ends for sophistication: subtle tapering at the ends can provide a sleek finish and make hair easier to style while reducing bulk. This technique works well in bob cuts or pixie styles that are popular among women over 50. Choose colors and highlights that accentuate features. Color plays a significant role in complementing a mature woman's features. Highlights, lowlights, or subtle balayage can add dimension and hide grays or roots effectively. Color strategies: opt for warm, natural hues that match skin tone and can make hair strands look thicker and more vibrant. Avoid overly stark or icy shades, which can emphasize wrinkles or age lines. Personal insight: color treatments should be low maintenance. Choosing shades that blend naturally with your natural hair can reduce the need for frequent touch-ups. Prioritize style that balances elegance and ease when choosing a hairstyle. Gravitate towards styles that reflect your personality but also suit your daily routine. An elegant yet manageable style can boost confidence and make life simpler. Tips for achieving this: select cuts that can be styled quickly with minimal tools such as air drying or light texturizing products. Incorporate classic styles with modern updates for a look that remains timeless. Conclusion: navigating haircut choices after 50 can be a rewarding journey when approached with awareness and expert guidance. Avoiding common haircut mistakes: women over 50 such as choosing overly blunt cuts, neglecting hair texture, following outdated trends, or selecting impractical styles can markedly improve one's appearance and confidence. Emphasizing layered, textured cuts, consulting professionals familiar with aging hair, and selecting colors that enhance features are essential strategies. Ultimately, A well-chosen hairstyle can emphasize natural beauty, highlight personality, and provide a youthful yet sophisticated look that transcends age, empowering women to radiate confidence at every stage of life.